Morning, everyone. Jeff Koppel, realtor and former general contractor. Hey, I haven't made a video in a while, and I got a phone call from a former construction client this morning saying that the handle on their shower fell off. And so, what I did is I asked them to send me a picture of what their shower valve looks like right now, and that it helped me diagnose and help them fix the problem. So, I want to show you what they sent me. Let's see here. Let me share my screen real quick. Let's see here. So this is what they sent me, and I'll go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit. Okay. Basically, what this is from, I can tell by the shape of it, this is a Moen Posi-temp cartridge. And so the fixture within the wall is Moen, and this particular cartridge is a Posi-temp cartridge. So uh, And I always pick one of these up, even if I'm just replacing a handle. I always pick one up because these are real problematic. They tend to last 5 or 7 years, and then they need replacement. Particularly down here in Texas, because we have a hard water, they tend to calcify really quickly, and so that's usually what gets them to fail. So um, when I went out there, what I found out is that in addition to the handle falling off, the valve didn't actually shut off. So it definitely needed replacement. And I did take the old cartridge. I've got it here. You can see like around the stem here, how it's all black. That's basically all the internal gaskets and everything in this cartridge have just disintegrated in our hard Texas water. And so that's why it wasn't shutting off anymore. And it's a little bit of an operation to get these out. It's a real tight machine fit. And so I know if you pick up directions for these to replace them, they say, oh, yeah, just pull them out with a pair of pliers. Well, okay, what they do is they provide you with this little piece that comes with the new cartridge. And what they suggest is that you put this piece on the cartridge that's in the wall, and then you use a wrench to turn it 45 degrees, and then you should be able to pull that out of the opening. In reality, this is a tool that you need to use most of the time to get it out, because it doesn't just pull out real easy with pliers. So the way the tool goes onto the cartridge is like this, and then you can turn it, and then you have a nice handle that you can use to pull it out of the wall. Not an easy operation. Definitely something you have to do by turning the water off to your home, unless you happen to be fortunate enough and they put in a commercial grade valve body in the wall that has shutoffs right next to it. But most residential housing is not going to have that. So anyway, just to this is definitely, if you're familiar with plumbing and plumbing tools, this is something you can take on yourself, but I highly recommend that you call a plumber or someone who has done a gazillion of these, like me, that is familiar with how to do it and has the right tools to do it. Um, the nice thing about the Moen products and Delta and Kohler is you can generally get replacement cartridges at one of the big box stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. So here's the one that I picked up for this one. It's Danco brand, and it's got a model number and everything, but that's basically the replacement model you can get there. So anyway, the operation, because I had all the right tools and everything, took me probably about 30 minutes total to pull out the old cartridge, put in the new one, and button everything up. So anyway, just thought I would share that with you, that I'm not just your realtor. I'm also a guy that can help you diagnose situations like this after you get in the home, or actually while we're looking at homes for you too. But anyway, hopefully you guys learned something on this today, and I'm here to answer these kinds of questions. If you have any questions like this that you run into with your home, any kind of maintenance questions or any kind of questions about a home, or if you would like to work with a realtor that's got over 23 years of hands-on construction experience as well, you can send an email to jeffkoppel@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer your questions or help you buy or sell a home. You guys have a great day.